Hello everyone, welcome to Vision Prabhas. This is Prabhas and today in this video I would like to show you how to get huge discount when purchasing GoPro and all genuine required accessories. If you want to purchase GoPro with almost all required genuine accessories, then buy it online at GoPro.com to get huge amount of discount. Especially this is for the new subscribers to the GoPro. So what are the required accessories? In number 1, GoPro Hero 10 Black, suppose. And number 2 is 3-way 2.0, which is gimbal, tripod and a stand. And in number 3, battery and dual battery charger. Number 4, media mode. And in number 5, memory card minimum 64 GB. And in number 6, the remote. Also most important is you subscribe to GoPro for unlimited cloud storage and accidental damage without any question asked. They will give you a brand new GoPro. I would also like to share you my receipt where you can clearly see the discounts given by the GoPro. I received when purchasing the GoPro and I got almost $400 discount. Check it out.